Hi and welcome to Avinash Singh YouTube channel. It is all about tax, drones and tourism. This video is sponsored by Baiyoke. Watch Indian and Korean dramas, link in the description. Burj Jumeirah rises to 550 meters and is strategically located opposite Sheikh Zayed Road in Al Sufu. Location: Al Sufu, a new icon in Dubai's skyline. The tower's design is inspired by the harmonious ripples of the UAE's desert sand dunes and its flowing oases. The crown at Burj Jumeirah's summit is the crown, which has the inherent flexibility to host a variety of different events. At 450 meters high, it is capable of expanding to accommodate varying capacities and uses. With the Sky Lounge observation decks, Burj Jumeirah will be comprised of multiple observation decks, giving visitors 360-degree panoramic views of Dubai. With its interactive experiences, it goes beyond the traditional concept of observation decks. The main viewing platform is accessible via lifts with modern digital screens that carry the visitor through a distinctive experience until they reach the desired platform. The base of Burj Jumeirah, the base of the tower, is designed in the outline of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed's fingerprint, and is planned to accommodate various social, cultural and artistic events and activities. It will also be home to numerous entertainment options, including water fountains. Downtown Jumeirah. Burj Jumeirah will be the centerpiece of Downtown Jumeirah, a pedestrian-friendly mixed-use urban destination. Upon completion, it will be home to both residential and commercial towers and hotels, as well as unique F&B concepts.
Floating megacity. For those of us who'd rather be above the sea but still in the water, don't worry, we're not left out. While those SpongeBob and Atlantis wannabes feed their fish, we can live in a whole floating city. With much of New Orleans built below sea level and the city prone to extreme winds, the New Orleans Arcology Habitat, or NOAA, could house 40,000 residents along with all services and amenities that would allow them to live their entire lives within its walls if they so desired. The structure's triangular shape is made to dissipate severe winds by allowing weather to blow through the structure in any direction with a minimum of massing interference. And even though it is designed to float, you won't just be floating around the Mississippi, so don't worry. Instead, a water-filled basin would be constructed on the bank of the Mississippi. The basin would partially be carved out of the existing land and also extended out into the river.
Mall of the World is a project to build the largest shopping center of its kind in the world, which envisions a fully air-conditioned city, comprising more than 4,500,000 square meters. Mall of the World, a mixed-use development in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The original plan includes 8 million square feet of shopping areas, the largest indoor game park in the world with a dome that can be opened during the winter time, and areas for theaters, cultural events, medical tourism, and about 20,000 hotel rooms. The mall is expected to be able to receive 180 million visitors annually.
If you watched way too much SpongeBob as a kid and always wanted to live underwater, here is your chance. U.S. submarine structures are in the process of creating a 3,600 square foot roundhouse that is designed to sit in water as deep as 60 feet. Unfortunately, that means you won't be living in a pineapple under the sea. But this house is still pretty cool. I mean, you have the view of a beautiful coral garden with numerous fish and a wide assortment of invertebrates that you'll be able to feed at the push of a button. The house can be accessed via an elevator or circular stairway, and conduits for water, sewage, communications, and electricity are connected to the shore. So if you're willing to pay a weekly price of $14,000, you can go make Krabby Patties and feed the fish. 6. Floating megacity. For those of City, District 1. Dubai obviously has nothing better to spend their money on. I mean, who just gets up one day and decides they're going to build a whole city of apartments? Look, Dubai, if you don't want your money, just hand it right on over here. We'll take good care of it. The Mohammed bin Rashid City District 1 residences will be built next to Crystal Lagoon. So if you wake up and your husband or wife is looking kind of rough that morning, you still have something beautiful to look at. And if your partner is just so rough in the morning that the lagoon can't help, don't worry, because there will be 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartments for more space. Of course, you could also just leave the apartment altogether and go jog on the boardwalk, swim in the pool, or just get a bite to eat from one of their restaurants. Just make sure you break out your life savings though, because rent is going to be over $600,000. So, on second thought, maybe you should just learn to love your partner on their rough days.
I think I'm in the right place.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Your support is always appreciated.